Gemini Free Flash, Google's new Mixboard, news about the NotebookLM AI tool, Claude isn't sleeping either, Perplexity Comet isn't afraid, is Meta turning its AI ship around, new ChatGPT and other updates in Sora, and what about Google Gemini? There's something there too. These are the latest AI news and AI rumors from the last few days. This is Tomáš Černovský from Tomáš AI channel. Our marketing agency has generated over $50 million in revenue for clients over the past 11 years, and AI now helps us achieve even better results. My challenge for you is simple. Watch these videos for 120 days, take notes and test everything. By the end of 2025, you will use AI better than 99% of people and businesses. That's my mission. Let's go! Okay, no worries. I'm back. So, Gemini Free Flash spotted on LM Arena. So you obviously know what LM Arena means. And since the code names are Skyhawk and Seahawk, Seattle Seahawk, obviously they should be around, so they should be basically out in a couple of days, since usually when companies have their tools in LM Arena, it's like few days before the official launch. So it should be up there. Mixboard from Google Labs got Nano Banana, which means you can generate slides with Nano Banana Pro in Mixboard, multiple board projects, and PDF and other types support, which is great. I really like Mixboard tool from Google AI Labs. You can also upload the .x files as sources in NotebookLM, which is cool. I actually tested this one today. It's working pretty well, so you can go there and test it out, guys. This is a really great feature for all you Microsoft geeks out there. Claude team and enterprise users can now trigger Claude code, which is awesome, but they can actually trigger Claude code tasks directly from Slack. As you know, Slack is very often used in companies full of developers, and they are all day on Slack when chatting and chatting about tasks, and chatting with teams, etc., etc. And this is something that could potentially, scale the usage in developers land. Perplexity is preparing to release a meeting recorder feature. As you can see, meeting notes, auto record. Here you can see disabled and enabled. Hello, audio recording here too for its Comet email assistant, which is something. I would say that's this is decent. I think that Perplexity Comet is actually updating its browser the most from the all AI browsers. Decent. Wow. Meta is working on a new proprietary frontier AI model called Avocado, according to CNBC. So we were expecting the model to be released before the end of this year, but that the plan now is for that to happen in the first quarter of 2026. So Meta slacks slightly. I don't know. Heatmaps in the Google AI tool called Stitch. As you know, Stitch is basically a tool where you can visualize the graphics of your mobile apps, websites, etc. And now there should be an option, or maybe in the near future, if you don't have it yet there, of predictive heat maps, which is cool. Which is something that definitely should be there and will help you to create better designs. Perplexity is working on to-dos support for its Comet browser, which is something that obviously, again, this one update is from Testing Catalog. Again, shout out to you. You are the greatest in AI. You know all about AI news, AI tools. You should definitely follow this guy too, guys. And something that Perplexity can also create, manage, and execute these tasks from this particular to-do. That's a future, guys. This one is crazy. GPT users are now able to use Adobe Photoshop, Express, and Acrobat for free which means the apps are basically expanding. The only thing I don't know is if it's only available to USA and Canada, for example, markets, or even Europe and others. So I will investigate. Again, another new from Google Stitch, where you can actually design with this agent with Gemini 3 Pro, which should make the design more let's say more modern and more up to date and obviously better, decent one. Utorii, I haven't heard about this tool in a couple of weeks or months, but they released Scouts, which they can monitor the web for you, which means that you can, for example, monitor, AI news or some sports events, or the scores of all the sports, things you are watching, NFL, NHL, NBA, whatever. Or you can monitor, something that you actually like, horse riding or football or, I don't know, piano. And once there will be new article, new update, it will basically let you know. It will notify you, which is cool. This is something that I should definitely do a video about, the review video about. So definitely hit the like button under this video. Also subscribe, and also don't forget to hit the bell icon, and also maybe put Utorii in the comment section if you would like me to review this app. And now don't forget to subscribe to this channel one more time, because we are actually building one of the biggest AI channels out there. I know we are at the beginning, we are at 298 subscribers, but we are at the beginning, guys, and it's gonna be a long way, but I will need your support. So please support this channel and get back, let's go back to these AI tools and updates and rumors. So in Google AI Studio, there's updated Gemini 2.5 Flash and Pro text-to-speech (TTS) models that they have new capabilities, which means improved multi-speaker capabilities, context-aware pacing control, and also emotional style and tone versatility, which is really decent, guys. You should definitely test this one. Again, this one is from Testing Catalog. 2 new styles in Sora, which means festive and retro. Here we go. This one is really good. In the tool called Pomelli from Google Labs, again, AI tool, which can create you the marketing assets for your company. Now there should be the button for animate. So basically using VO 3.1 to animate your images and your photos and your banners. So you have animations, which is really cool because these are needed. This is really crazy, guys. OpenAI is partnering with Disney, Walt Disney Studio, Walt Disney Company, and bringing Disney's characters to Sora, which means Sora might be, worth again looking into. This is cool. Google is testing 2 new models on LM Arena, Fierce Falcon and Ghost Falcon. Potentially these are either Gemini 3 Pro GA or Gemini 3 Flash. We will need to wait to see which ones are these. But obviously, Google Gemini is testing quite a lot in LM Arena, which means that there should be new updates soon. And Google is about to ship Gemini Deep Research Pro in December, another really cool feature and cool tool. And Mistral, the one of the Europeans, French AI models, basically replied to somewhat post on X that another will be back in a few days with another model drop. Okay, can't wait, guys. Let's go. Gemini Deep Research Agent, it's released by Google on API based on Gemini 3 Pro as a core, which is again really decent for some automations through the API. That should be cool. You already know that if you watch this channel, and if you don't, definitely subscribe and also hit the bell icon with the like button under this video, because ChatGPT 5.2 Instant Thinking and Pro are already in the ChatGPT for Go users, Plus, Pro, and also for the Plus Pro, Go, Plus, Pro, and at the top model, I don't know which one is it today. So they are there, and they are basically crushing all these ArcAGI 2 leaderboard benchmarks. So yeah, this is really dope, guys. Again, GPT 5.2 is now available in Perplexity for Pro and Max users. And also it is available in the Notion AI. So if you use Notion and you use Notion AI, you should have it over there. And if you again watch this channel, you should already know that the GPT 5.2 ranks number 2 and 6 in web dev in LM Arena. So the number 1 is Claude Opus 4.5, thinking 32K. Then we have GPT 5.2 High, and 6th place is GPT 5.2. Between that, Claude Opus 4.5 without thinking, Gemini 3 Pro, and GPT 5 Medium. So plenty of good results for GPT 5.2. 11 labs partnered with Meta to power AI Studio experiences across Instagram, Horizon, and other products. So hopefully something positive for Meta, on the horizon. Google opened an opt-in form for Disco, another experiment from Google Labs, which means that the Disco offers a new browsing experience where Gemini builds interactive web applications to help you complete tasks. Really good one. And this one is really funny, guys. OpenAI supply store basically is here, which means you can actually buy, for example, blue chairs or some hoodies or some snapbacks, hats, t-shirts, whatever. And I am curious if you would definitely if you would buy some of these ChatGPT merchandise and you would basically wear ChatGPT logo on yourself. Let me know in the comment section. I'm really interested in knowing that. Google makes NotebookLM Ultra, and it is crazy. You can actually put there up to 600 sources per one notebook, and it has 50 times more generations versus the standard plan. This is really, really crazy, guys. Then we have ChatGPT Go, which is available. They basically expanded to LATAM countries, where ChatGPT Go serves as a more affordable subscription that offers broader access to new models and features. Let me know if you are from LATAM, guys, in the comment section. Cheers for you. Cheering for you, sorry. It's too late here, sorry, I'm tired. Google updated Gemini 2.5 Flash, a native audio model with 21% improvement over previous model at overall conversation quality. That's crazy, guys, because ChatGPT in the conversational mode is much better, but I'm positive that they are actually working on that in the Google ecosystem, and they will get better through the mobile app, for example, the Gemini. So, Schedule Tasks and Pulse are about to get merged on ChatGPT. I don't use Pulse because I don't have it in my subscription. I think it's for Pro accounts. But if you have a Pro account, let me know if you have this notification over there, because it's a signal that they are basically pushing or pulling all these, external things into the ChatGPT. They are basically realizing that, people just want to use one app, and through the one app, they want to have access to all the other apps. So it will be really interesting to see how they will be able to handle that. Gemini app now has a possibility to mark up attached images to guide Gemini with precise editing instructions. This is good because if you specify to the AI what you want to edit or whatever, in the image, just maybe remove this or edit this, etc., and you can mark it. That's much better for the AI to understand what you actually mean. Google is rolling out a NotebookLM integration for Gemini. This is really cool because users will be able to attach notebooks as a context to their conversations. conversations. Well, Google Opal Agent Builder now has the ability to use Gemini 3 Pro and Gemini 3 Pro Image, which is Nano Banana Pro. This is dope, guys. I'm really pumped for that, and I would like to test this one very soon. So definitely hit the like button, subscribe, and also the bell icon. And there we go, again, the stitch. And as you can see, they are testing and working on the export to Laravel or Firebase, which means that you should be able to, generate the graphics here, edit this, etc., and then move it to Firebase or Laravel and, finish the app, website, or whatever coding in the Laravel or Firebase. That's cool, guys, and that's it for today's video, guys. These are the newest AI news and rumors for the last couple of days. If you are interested in knowing more and you don't want to miss any other AI news, definitely hit the subscribe button with the bell icon, and also like this video out if you got some value out of it. Also, don't forget to check this video out. It's about GPT 5.2, and we did basically deep dive in the let's say coding capabilities of GPT 5.2 as well as other capabilities, and the results are not that I would expect it, but just go there and check it out and you will see what I mean actually. And let me know in the comment section what do you think about GPT 5.2, and definitely don't forget that tomorrow there will be another video, so be ready. Cheers!